Welcome back, guys. This is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about difference between subquery versus correlated subquery. I have detailed video on subquery. You can just go to the channel and watch it. And on correlated subquery also we have a separate video. You can just go and watch on our channel. Now in this video I'm going to talk about the difference. I'm going to show you how exactly you can identify that if this is a subquery or this is a correlated subquery. To demonstrate this, I'm going back to our old example. So for this demonstration, we have two tables. The first table is called as the student table and another is called as the department table. So in the student table, we have the student information, and in the dep table, we have the department information. So let me copy the code which I have explained in both the videos. So you can see the first code, this is the one. This is for subquery. And I'm going to paste another code which is basically related with the correlated subquery. Okay. Now let's compare and let's try to understand the difference. So I'm having a query inside a query. See, here also I am having a query inside query. Here also I am having query inside query. Right? Both the queries are having a two query. The one is parent query, another is a child query. One is parent query, another is child query. But what is the difference between the subquery or the correlated subquery? What is the difference between these two queries? I can see here this is plain query which is not dependent on the parent query or the main query. And in this second one, I am seeing this give dev.a is we are passing to the child query, right? So this student table is basically dependent on, or we are querying on the department, right? So I can see there is a dependency. So if there is a dependency from child to the main, then this is called as the correlated subquery. And if there is a no dependency between the parent and the child, so then that is called as a subquery. Hope this is clear to you. So if I run this two query, I can get data, right? So I can get here student data and I can get all the department, count of department. Here I can get all the department name and here I can get the count of student in each respective department. So hope this is clear. So if there is a dependency between the child and the main, then that is a correlated related subquery, and if there is no dependency, then that is a subquery. Hope you really like our video. If you like our video, please don't forget to share and subscribe with your friend. That will help us to reach maximum people and they can get the idea and they can explore more in a sequence. And thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.